to the channel. It's your girl Meekah Land on Wasteland, and here we are, baby. Thank you so much for looking at that thumbnail and clicking. So today we are working with a company for the first time. Sis, we gotta get into this. This is by Jurllyshe Hair.
I'm getting tired of your shit. You don't never buy me nothing. And every time you come around, you got to bring Jim, John, Paul, and Tyrone. Now I can't wait me by myself sometimes. See, I've been having it on my mind for a long time. I just want it to be you and me, like it used to be, baby. But you don't know how to act. So matter of fact, I think you better call Tyrone. Call him and tell him, come on, help you get emotional. You need to call Tyrone. Call him and tell him I said, come on. Now every time I ask you for a little cash, you said no, but turn right around and ask me for some ass. Oh, well, hold up, listen, partner, I ain't no cheap thrill. 'Cause Miss Badu's always coming for real, and you know the deal. Every time we go somewhere, I got to reach down in my purse to pay your way and your homeboy's way. And sometimes your cousin's way. When we all went out to eat, you made me ride in the backseat. And that ain't right, child. I said, that ain't right, child. So I think you better call Tyrone. Call him and tell him, come on, help you get closer. You need to call Tyrone. Call him, but you can't use my phone. Oh, take my pills, pay my bills. I'm here to let you know what I feel is real. Take the daylight with you. It's getting late, no time to wait. Don't so I can meditate. Light my cone, sing my song. I don't give a damn if I'm right or wrong. Toodaloo, toodaloo. They alright. Go right, tell your boys about the other place and watch the fight. Don't make me go get with my.
Okay. Let me just brush it out so you can see her in all her glory. What do we think about the color? I'm not mad at it. It's a shock to the system, but I'm not mad at it. So big thank you to Jurllyshe for sending out this beauty. This is their T-part highlighted wig, loose body wave. I do have it in 24 inches. This is 150% density, sis. And what I find really interesting, and of course, they conveniently do have a name for this color. This is the TL 1B427. So, baby, let's get into this beauty, baby. First and foremost, this color, sis. Now, you will see on the website, it is a drastically different color. With any blondes that I do on this channel, I will take the liberty to tone the hair. It just works for me. I'm not really into the yellow blondes. Me and the white blondes, however, these ash blondes, baby, we can hold hands and skip down the street singing Kumbaya. We shall overcome. So yeah, the hair took to the toner really well, and did not know that you can overtone your hair till I did this unit. Yeah. Girl fell asleep. So these follicles were pretty marinating in some toner stew, and yeah, turned the unit purple. No lie. Big, easy, quick fix, at least for me. I took some basic white and some 30 developer, applied it to the purple parts, and it took it right out. You can see a little bit up here where it is still a little purple. There is a little bit mixed in with the ash blonde down here, but I think, sis, it's actually working for the unit. I hope I feel the same way when I edit this video. Ow. Yeah, so I think it came out really good. Curls pretty much held up to, you know, this is really good considering your girl don't know jack about curling, okay? So they have actually held up. You know, I'm able to brush them out. They bounce right back, you know, and I'm just loving this wand curl action, baby, because right here, whoo, baby. This is the best friend of the channel from now on. I need to give her a name. I'm thinking either Katrina or Heather. I don't know. But all I know is this baddie right here makes the world a difference. This is the Bedhead TIGI. I believe it's like their 1 1/4 wand curler. I will leave the correct name somewhere in this video, and I'll update my Amazon store. Of course, check out the link in the description box down below. All right. Say bye, Katrina. Bye. Two-part unit, so it does have that middle part or eye part, whatever you want to call it, and did not know this had a fake scalp. And I think okay, hold up, let me check, hold up, let me get my mirror straight now, let me check and make sure, because I think I got all angles covered. Ow. Yeah, so I think the T part on here came out really good. However, baby, fake scalp means you gotta bleach the knots, boo-boo. So Jurllyshe, I don't know what happened there, sis. You really don't even get half an inch of parting space in the front, so I just plickety-plucked just a small portion out to clean it up, and voila, baby. Yes, she is giving you middle part realness. Damn. Ear tabs pretty much fell into place. No issues with that. However, T-part unit means that you do not have coverage on the sides. If you're looking for further coverage, check out Jurllyshe, baby. I'm sure they got you covered. This is a really simple, easy, beginner-friendly, straight to the point type of unit. Like, you really don't even have to color it if you don't want to. Get it, lay it, fry it, dye it, lay it to the side, baby, and you good. So yeah, now me personally, I would have preferred maybe just a light black root going to the brown and then the ash blonde, but I still think this is workable. Yeah. This is me posing, trying to give you Malibu Barbie, baby. Yeah, so big thank you to Jurllyshe for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciated. If you're interested in checking out this unit, I will have a direct link to their store as well as to this unit in the description box down below. Thank you so much, ladies, for tuning in to another review. If you're interested in any of the products I use, definitely hit up my Amazon store. I know that question comes up a lot, so all the information is in the description box down below. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Love on yourself. Keep yourself first. Stay tuned for the YouTube shout outs. And as always, ladies, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. All right, ladies, here we are with the YouTube shout outs. Thank you so much for tuning into this part of the video. Time for me to verbally thank you all and introduce new members to the fam. I think we should come up with a squad name. I think it's that time. I really don't know what to pick. So if you're watching this, leave some suggestions in the comment section and I'll hold a poll on the community tab and we will decide on a name. Yeah. So, big thank you to the following new family members. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the channel and thinking enough of me to hit that red button, baby, because that's not an easy thing to do. So, big thank you to God's Little Gem, Love Your Name, Christina Alumbi, A. Danielle, Benita Pernell, Lioness Leo, Nikki Urbano, Esley Arruda, Deshanta Nelson, Chanel Jones, and Crystal Michelle Walsh. Thank you, thank you, thank you, ladies. Definitely appreciate it. Keep loving on yourself, keep yourself first, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.